Kia ora koutou, ko Mary August tōku ingoa. I'm the Deputy Principal and Senko at Tāne School. Why I'm here today, 25 years ago I marched in the last strike, which was for pay parity. This time round I'm striking again for our students, not only at Tāne School but all around New Zealand. It's not about the money. And I've always said it's not about the money, it's the workload that our teachers now have to face. It's our students that are coming into our school who are needing more support, which we can't provide. It's just everything other than the money. And so I'm here because it's about our kids, and teachers do need to stand up, and I hope our whānau out there will support us when we say it's not about us, it's about our tamariki, our pōpō.